Is breakfast the most important meal of the day, or is not breaking your fast until later a better strategy? Hey peoples, Trace here for DNews. This week marks the beginning of the Muslim holiday of Ramadan, a holiday of month-long daytime fasting and reflection. For the next month, Muslims will fast from sunup to sundown. Other religions practice fasting as well. But what does all this not eating do to the human body? I mean, I fasted once, I just wanted to try it. It was really rough, and I accidentally ate a potato chip during the day. But science tells us there may be some benefit to controlling when you put food in your maw. A fast usually starts about 10 to 12 hours after the last meal. Then once all the glucose in your blood is used up, your body has to find energy within itself. To do so, it'll start converting glycogen, a form of stored energy in the liver and muscles, into usable energy. It's breaking down your muscles, pretty much. Without glucose, your body systems start what is sometimes called starvation mode. Hormones are produced that make you want to eat more once you do get food, but your metabolism will be lowered too, so that food won't be turned into energy right away anyway. During fasting, production of an insulin growth factor, IGF-1, drops too, which could be a benefit for cancer patients, diabetics, and people with overreactive immune systems, but scientists are still studying that one. The brain reacts to fasting too, but not by slowing down. If you consider apex predators like lions or wolves, they don't eat 3 square meals a day. Once they eat, they fast. Once your body knows you're fasting, brain activity actually increases. Evolutionarily, when you're trying to find food, you gotta be banging on all cylinders. Unlike when you're full, then your animal body just wants to store that energy for survival. Alternate day fasting, or limiting caloric intake to every other day, has been shown in lab experiments to up creation of a brain-derived neurotropic factor that helps grow new brain cells by 50 to a 400% factor. That's crazy. Short-term regular controlled fasting has even been shown to delay the onset of Alzheimer's in mice, maybe by as much as a 20-year group if you convert that to human years. Overall, science can show that fasting might help elongate our life and increase its quality. Intermittent fasting, although popular with health enthusiasts, doesn't have any long-term comprehensive scientific study behind it, at least not that I could find, but it involves limiting caloric intake to an 8-hour window of every day. Basically, you're skipping breakfast. Regardless of how it's approached, if done improperly, fasting can really mess you up. Our associate producer, Nori, she fasted for like 3 days once. She said she started hallucinating, she was really hangry, and she felt like she was going crazy. This is pretty consistent with self-starvation. If you persist fasting for too long, the lack of incoming energy won't help you lose weight in any kind of healthy way. Plus, your heart may have trouble pumping your blood, and your body will keep breaking down muscle mass to protect your energy levels. A lot of fasting studies are still experimental. We really don't know the best way for humans to eat. Isn't that a little crazy? We don't remember how our ancient ancestors ate, so we're still trying to figure out